Guys, fail tayo.
Very frustrating. Where is
I'm so
fine
hungry.
food? I cannot
We're gonna go to a different restaurant kasi yung restaurant na pupuntahan sana namin, ang liit pala, tapos ang daming tao and hindi siya comfortable na hindi siya comfortable na lugar kasi sobrang so many tables and chairs in one small space. Ganun. Tapos yung din dito, yung parking din dito, it's just 1 hour. So, yeah. So, naisip namin we're gonna go back to that other restaurant we went before. It's called Dem Cafe. But anyway, it's gonna be the same. It's like Turkish food.
This was not Turkish, it was Lebanese.
Yeah, same. But anyway, the one we're supposed to go was Lebanese food. But then, so many people in one small space, we can't do it. It's uncomfortable. And
Also because you got anxiety now.
Oh, shut the fuck up. I don't have anxiety. It's just like, I want to sit and be comfortable. Not like so much people in one small space and noise and all that. And then
it was like a takeaway where there was a seat.
It looks like a takeaway where there's a lot of small seats.
What is that bus there?
I don't know.
Maybe we could just go and eat there.
Oh, I don't want that. So, yon. So, drive na muna kami. Maghahanapin namin yung dating restaurant na pinakainan namin because it was good, it was yummy, and it was also cheap. It was cheap for the amount of food you get. There was so many food.
So now I'm gonna say you gotta pass another Filipino restaurant called Sweet Bites.
Sweet Bites doon, they're selling cakes and...
Yeah.
I didn't know that it's this area.
It's not so far from here. On that side in the basement, as I remember.
Yumsy. Next time I'm gonna go there. Next time. Right now I need real food, not cakes. Batan Bazaar. Wanna go there. What is this place called here?
This one, what? Sorry.
You think it's expensive to live in the city?
It's a very marked area. Got a lot of trouble with foreigners.
Look at all this. There's so much apartments here, there.
And Sweet Bites is
Where?
located in the red in the basement of the red house.
Ah, wow,
see,
there. That's a Filipino. There, Sweet Bites.
Also closed.
It's closed right now. Next time I'm gonna come here and I'm gonna try all those Filipino stores. Filipino restaurant, but right now I just can't do it. I'm so hungry. I need real food. And yeah, it's I think my first time to be in this area actually.
Absolutely not. We've been eating there, you and me and Henry.
Holzburger. Oh. Yeah, maybe.
We had to go to a concert.
Then I've been here before. I just don't remember things. But anyway, apparently there's a lot of foreigners in this area. You will feel like it's an international environment. Ganyan. And I like that.
You take coffee with your cream, you squeak like a teen, and the Hugh Grant stuff you've watched.
So ito na yung appetizer nila. Yumsy. Ito na. Good for 2 people. Ang daming food, sarap. You're happy, no?
I'm happy and I want
Good. Guys, katatapos lang namin kumain doon. And, my God, parang hindi ako makahinga. Ang dami kong kinain, grabe. Pero I have to say, I think that's gonna be the last time na kakain kami doon because I think I've had enough already. It was our second time, so much food. Yeah, tapos kahit busog na ako, kain ng kain pa rin kasi iniisip ko. Sayang naman, oy. Pero anyway, tapos na kami doon. Now we are on our way home. Kasi gusto na naming mag-relax. Actually, last week, not last week. I mean, for the past weeks talaga, wala kaming pahinga kasi sobrang daming ginagawa namin. She look familiar. No, not. But anyway, sobrang dami namin ginagawa. Ako sa trabaho, siya naman sa ginagawa. Basta dami. Parang ngayon lang ata kami makapag-relax. Ngayon lang ata kami makapag-relax. Uwi kami ngayon and then we're just gonna watch Netflix maybe. And ako naman mag-YouTube ng konti. I-upload ko to, ganyan. Para matapos na.
You take coffee with your cream. You squeak like a teen. And the Hugh Grant stuff you've watched enough. You mumble it in your dreams. You rock out on a broom and mangle some tunes. On weekends you dance in jammy pants until the afternoon. And I know it's hard to think that someone could be in sync with all